8:25 in the evening, and I'm walking in Krestena, the village, townish, no smell, in the Peloponnese near ancient Olympia. I just had a swim. There's a swimming pool, amazing, and it's August 15th, and I thought that it would be nice to go for a stroll to the main square. I hope the camera will help me catch the last light. Otherwise, tomorrow, after the exploration of ancient Olympia, in the evening I'm going on a full tour of the village, which I don't really know myself. I have been spending Easter here and summer, many summers of my childhood, up until my grandmother died, and then, well, that happened when I was around in my 30s, early 30s. I'm looking around, there's all kinds of kitties and a dog. Say hi to the camera. Hello. Yeah. I'm just walking. I'm not doing anything. The owner of the hotel told me that there are no stray dogs here. So hopefully I will make it in one piece, both ways. Yeah, maybe I should have taken the car. I don't know. We'll see, but look how beautiful and green it is. Look at those, this cluster of huge pine trees. And I was so amazed by the route from Olympia to Krestena. So, because what happened is that they have made this new national road, and I didn't know that it will take me off the villages. So instead of going through all the small villages, I found this big national road that connects Patras to Pyrgos. Pyrgos is the capital town of Ilia region, and it's about, if I remember correctly, I don't know, 20-30 kilometers from here. It's not so far. The thing is that I didn't know where exactly to go, so I went to another village, Makrisia, and there I stopped. You saw that an interesting fig tree with no figs. Well, there might be figs, but everybody passes from here, they eat them, so no fig tree for me. So I completely lost that route, but I found it, and I called my mother, who was born here, and my sister, who was also born here, and yeah, they were very moved by the fact that I'm visiting. My mother can't come with me, she's 91. My sister is quite old too. We have more than 15 years age gap. So this is a big church where I have spent so many Easters, but it's a Panagitsa, Holy Mary church, but unfortunately it looks like it's closed. Of course now it's very late for a church to be open, but even when I was coming through the village, it was closed. Maybe tomorrow is Saturday, and maybe they're open and maybe I can visit. It's a wonderful church, quite old, and there is a palace here. Palace, okay, maybe this is an exaggeration. There is a villa of a duchess. I have to find out about details. I'll let you know, but this is the walls of the property. Yeah. And I don't know how you can, this is the door. There it is. You see, it looks neoclassic. It is neoclassic, but it's also very locked. And the same with the church. It's yeah, this the small one outside the church. Now this is the church, but yeah, it's closed. Also, I see someone there, but maybe tomorrow. Look, some old houses, and it's quite green. Oh yeah, those are the gigantic pine trees. These have been here since my mother was born, so those are probably hundreds of years old, and you see how high they are. This is the municipality hall. It says Andritsena Krestena, and a playground for the little ones. Nice traditional house. My grandmother's house was like that. It's not so high, perhaps. We'll visit tomorrow, but it's kind of empty right now. It has 2 floors. The ground floor was my grandmother's. The top was belonged to my uncle, who, with his wife, who raised their 3 children, 3 daughters, but the couple, my uncle and his wife, died, and so the house is kind of empty right now, I think. And graffiti even in Krestena, absolutely amazing. Oh, look at this poor guy. I hope he has eaten something nice. And there's the graffiti, interesting. I think the best part of Krestena is not its main street, which is a commercial center, but it's built on a hill, and I think this is what you will love it tomorrow, because it's most of the traditional houses are there with gardens and view of the forest around us, and yeah, there you see. Well, I know it's getting a bit dark, but I will try and go there because this looks so amazingly old. Yeah, you see what I mean? Look how old that is, and it goes. Okay, this is new, this is not old, or maybe, yeah, all those gardens. It's lovely, isn't it? But I like the old abandoned houses. I don't know. I think when I was very young, when I was a child, there were so many of those abandoned houses. So that has something to do with my youth, that I have connected villages with abandoned houses. So, but there are also so many of them in Athens too. So it's something. It's a Greek thing, or maybe Mediterranean. I don't know what's happening in the other countries. Now we are at the main square, which everybody gathers in the evening, and it has always been quite lively, always. From when I was coming here, it's small one, and even now. And there was this shop here. Belonged to my uncle many years ago. So let's go over there. So, okay, so you see, this is there's all the taverns. It has plane trees here. It's getting really dark now. I don't know how much you can see, but there's plenty of choices here. And there's some Christmas lights over there. I'm gonna choose one place and have a drink. I don't know which one. That over there looks like a tavern. I don't want to go to a tavern. I have eaten. So something else. So let's find out first.